The Tilswall 65W Soldering Station Kit is engineered with an advanced smart temperature control system that ensures precise and stable temperature settings between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring a built-in transformer and ceramic heating core, this soldering station excels in maintaining consistent heat, effectively preventing cold solder joints and fast-aging issues. Safety is a priority with this kit, as it includes fuse protection and is certified ESD and FCC safe, along with providing non-toxic lead-free tin wire for environmentally friendly use. The soldering iron cable is crafted from Teflon and 100% silica gel, which remains flexible even in extreme cold temperatures, offering superior handling compared to traditional PVC cables. In addition to the main unit, the kit comes with 5 extra soldering tips and a metal sponge, providing versatility and convenience for a variety of soldering tasks. Tilswall offers exceptional customer support with a 28-month warranty, ensuring buyers can rely on the quality and durability of their purchase.